what I use is mostly there are a lot of sources, but mostly what I use for the administrative boundaries and some other information for that as well is the DIVA GIS. It's DIVA DIVA GIS, and you just hit the enter button. This is going to lead you to this first link written as data space DIVA-GIS. Fine, this will lead you to this web page having a kind of heading of this DIVA-GIS followed by this data subheading. And okay, then you can see it's written here, select and download free geographic, GIS data for any country in the world. So once you click this drop down menu, you are going to have the list of the countries around the world. Fine. As we have right now around 189 or 190 countries in the world. And so I hope so you are going to all of them here, to have all of them here. If I want to select like Nigeria, I will hit N first. You can see once I click this Nigeria, then after that for this subject I have actually option to select from the type of data that I need. But as far as this website of DIVA-GIS is especially concerned, is very much better just for the administrative areas. You can avail this inland water, roads, railroads, the data of the elevations, and again the elevation in the form of raster. The option which is written without the bracket, it's data in vector form, and this one with the bracket written as mask, country mask, this is actually the raster data. Fine. The land cover means the elevation, the land cover, the population data, and the gazetteer. Fine. So anyhow, what we just need right now is the administrative areas, means the boundary and the administrative boundaries of the country, like provinces, states, and subdivided areas. Fine. So now you can look here that it's nga.administrative zip file. Once you hit this button, this is going to download a zip file for you here, and this zip file will have the administrative boundaries area of the respective country that you have selected for the purpose of analysis, right? Is it fine till now? You can search for your own country to which you belong to, and then you can perform this geospatial analysis on the vector data you are going to have after downloading. Fine. Okay. So as I do have this shapefile data of mine country, let me show you where is that and how I'm going to access that. I think the GIS interface is open twice. Let me close the window. Okay. And this is just like a PhD scholar screen, looks like. From east to west and north to south, files are everywhere. Okay. And this download, now you can see once you download the zip folder, you are going to have that folder in this form. You have to unzip this or extract here, like depending upon the configuration of your operating system, the window, right? So extract here is the better option, or you can copy this folder to any particular location where you want to keep all of the geospatial data, right? And then you can extract it, and then you will have the data of administrative boundaries of your country in this way. You can have a lot of files. Okay. Now let me tell you how you can access this data. Okay. Let me close this base map, which is not required anymore. Okay. These references as well, I don't need them at all. I just need a base map, not even base map right now. Fine. Okay. So you can see as I added 2 to 3 tools to this right section of the interface. One is the Arc toolbox, the second one is the catalog, and the third one is the search. These are actually the tools, which is actually the scope of work of the GIS. What GIS can perform in the form of tools. You will see that there are tools within tools, and then the tools that you can directly work upon. Fine. So there is a list of tools, right? So you can access them from this hierarchical process, or the other way is you can directly search them here. Fine, to this search window. So on third, we have this catalog, and the catalog is used to connect to your data. Most of the time, what we do with the catalog is actually used to connect your data to the interface of ArcMap. So you can see this plus sign on the folder. Once click this first plus sign, as the folder I downloaded is available there in the downloads. So once I have to select the downloads folder, so for that, I have to go to this PC, then I have to click this downloads folder. Fine. Whatever is going to be there will be visible once I connect this to my interface. Okay. So what you just have to select is the folder within which your data is available there. Fine. So, okay. Okay. Now next, is this getting recorded? Okay, fine, fine. So coming again to this plus sign, which is part of this toolbox, add data. Click directly to this plus sign, and this dialog box is going to be appeared. Okay. Now from this drop down menu, these are actually the folders and linkage paths what I have already selected and connected to the interface, because I usually have to work on this GIS interface. That's why you can see there are a lot of linkages. So as previously I have connected this downloads, so I have to click this one. Fine. So you can see the folders there and all of the files there are visible now to me. Fine. Okay. So I would like to listen from you guys. Is this fine?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Please.
sir, it's fine.
Okay, thank you. So, I mean, it's very fundamental, very basic, but as we have participants from different level of backgrounds, so just for that sake, I have to cover all from the basic towards the moderate level or the advanced level. Fine. Okay. So as I told you, once you have the folder is connected, then the file name is Pakistan Administrative Boundaries, like this one or this one. Because for the sake of demonstration, I have downloaded many times. So the folder is with 2 to 3 times might be here. Fine. So Pakistan administrative boundaries, once you open this one, so you can see that I have many files here. So which of the file is going to be the data on which I have to work? So as we are going to discuss vector data today, so the file format for the vector data is actually the shape file, right? And the file format is the shape file, and it is represented with the .shp. Fine. So once I select this Pakistan administrative level 0 shape file, click this one and hit the add button. Fine. Okay. The data is added to the interface, but it's not visible to me. Most probably I am somewhere else as far as the coordinate system is concerned. So once I have to select this layer, this is actually the palette. The table of content is the palette where we actually manage the layers, the order of the layer. Fine. And which of the layer you are going to see, and to keep that the check on. or otherwise. Okay, so right click to this layer. If your data is not visible after adding, you can click this one, zoom to layer. Fine. You can see still it's not visible. Fine. Let me try it again as zoom to layer. And by the same way, if it's not still not visible, you can remove it and firstly save your file. It's not the case always there, but as a matter of practice, as I usually work on ArcMap interface, so sometime it is so like, uh, let me go to the relevant drive. I'm going to make a folder here, or I think I can, yes, there's the button for the create new folder, and let me write it January 24th. Fine. Entering to this folder, and my file name is also January. For keeping your file name in ArcMap is better to have an underscore instead of space. Fine. So January underscore 24. MXD is the file type or file extension of the ArcMap file system. Save. Okay, you can see here January 24th dash ArcMap. This is the file name, this is the program name. Fine. ArcMap is the program, January 24th is the file. Okay, again, let's try again to add data to the interface. So this by selecting once and hitting this add button or clicking its double, you are going to have this data on the interface, but still it's not working properly. So just remove it and again click to this add button and go back to the folder location. Fine. As previously I tried this one folder, it's not working properly. So let me open this one with Pakistan administrative files saved within bracket 1. Okay, selecting the same file and hit this add button. Okay, zoom to the layer. Now you can see that I have a shapefile with a single boundary, and you can see a hatch color in between that.